Instead of fighting like we dismissed, maybe we just need another spliff. We just need to slow down, fuck another round. Cause it's like we both just been on set. Talking about nothing, you ain't got shit to say. Gotta just relax, been a long day. She said she agreed. She smiled and looked at me. She said, roll again.
And get the job done to pussy cloth.
Alright, so
the best photographers in London. Let's get this shooting real quick. Get some content.
alright, cool.
We'll do around street vibe and shit.
Alright, cool. Give me 15 of them vibes. You ain't like that. Oh, y'all already know the vibe. I don't know what you're talking about, miss. Nah. Just for a couple of minutes, though. No funny shit, though. I soon go back out into the world type shit. Gonna turn 15 minutes in 3 hours and then what? I'm about to get dressed. Man. All of them be tight, we love your music. Yo, bro, y'all gotta really pre the niggas' faces, bro. All the getting money niggas who fuck beard, y'all, be like, oh yeah, turn up. They turning up to Gallus and they got like 4 or 5 shorties around them. They just get, but I'm up. Gallus, they looking at me like, and I'm looking at them like, yes sir, my nigga, you got it. Niggas talking about we outside. All the niggas that came with just they shorty, and that's like they forever shorty, they cinnamon apple, the apple of they fucking eye, you know what I'm saying? Sugarfoot, love muffin, the one that he adores type shit. And he know that they kind of rocky right now, and he kind of losing her type shit, and this is his last straw, bringing her to a Capella Grey concert. He didn't realize the magnitude of what was going on. The nigga, he gets on the mic and says, where's my ladies? You single? Say single. He a shorty. Single. I mean, what are we exactly before we even continue? Before we... He just didn't understand the magnitude of what was going on for real. Nigga, see, get on the mic and be like, where's my ladies? You could get any nigga. Say any nigga. Hear his cinnamon apple. Any nigga. Distraught. So by the time I come out with the I see her, she came with her, he's in shambles. Now he's doing a whole bunch of, hear her, Daddy, chill. Daddy. Daddy, chill. Mind you, I'm standing up and I'm watching all these different shit be happening from this backstage. I'm just watching this shit happen. Y'all gotta really read how much shit really be going on during these shows. Daddy, chill. Yo. Doing the most. My nigga Z got on the mic and be like, where my ladies? You left your nigga at the crib. Say at the crib. She's standing right next to her forever nigga. She take 2 steps to the left and say, at the crib. Yo, Daddy, chill. Hey man, cause you that guy. Yes, yeah. I don't know. You said it not I. You heard my fault. Drink? Are you drunk yet? If you on my live right now, if you're not drunk, either A, get off my live. Now it's kind of harsh. All right. If you're not drunk and you're on my live, get on your phone and make plans to get to drunk. Set up your plans, hit up your people. We outside today. I don't care where y'all go. And don't drink no Henny. Today we not doing no Henny. So types of margaritas and little miscellaneous, whatever the fuck. I am drunk. Hose alert, yeah, man. I got a new one into the repertoire. Look, ready for this? I call that the abyss. You know, I only got 3 poses. Why are we doing this photo shoot for 45 minutes if I only have 3 poses? Fuck You getting this shit right here? You getting the one without this shit right here? Up head, down head, little side profile, half down, little ones and twos. That's all I got. Fuck. You missed the finger gun pose. I'm sorry. I'm bringing it back. Fuck. Yeah, wake up. No, I'm up. I'm up. In 10 minutes, I'm gonna be downstairs. Ready to, not close my eyes is crazy. Nah, my fault. Now you well, Bob. I don't know what you're talking about. Single day vibey, single day wavy. If you're drunk, say the frig. I'm crying. Now I'm about to do that at the shows. If you are drunk, say well drunk. If you are well drunk, say the frig. Ready? One more time for that bitch. Hold on, wait. Shh. Shut up. Come on. Hold on, wait. That's what you gotta do. Y'all making me smile. Y'all fucking up the abyss. I'm gonna get it right. It's the abyss, and then there's another one. Ready? The sunset. Can I do this in pictures? Am I valid? Thinker featuring the abyss is nuts. That combo, Tyson. Now, the thinker, the abyss, then that transforms into the sunset. Left-handed sunset, right-handed sunset, a double-decker. The double-decker. They're gonna be like the face of hip-hop and the new sound of the decade. Get up, shut up. I saw get up, man. I'm getting dressed right now. I'm getting dressed. I feel like part of getting dressed is visualizing what you're going to wear. So right now I'm in that stage. I'm visualizing the vibes. Type shit. Nah, for real though. You can't just put shit on. They can't. How many drinks you off? They were little drinks. So 6, but we gonna round it down to 5. So I have 5 drinks. And we're gonna use the mathematics. We're not carrying no ones today. We're not gonna do no full math. Listen, that's it. We're gonna round it down. Simple. You know what I mean? If you trying to buy a burger, and niggas say this shit is $6 at the bodega, you giving that nigga the $10 bill, give him cash, or you knowing in your hood, you don't give him the 5 and say, Papi, I have a 5. You know the vibe, and walking out. You give him a 5, right? All right. Wow, you had 6, now make that 7. No, you're doing the mathematics wrong. You were doing the mathematics wrong. You know when you was about to do the dishes already, just have the kindness of your heart. You were just ready to do the dishes. And then your mom come home and be like, wash the dishes right now. Now I'm not doing it. Now, matter of fact, mommy, I'm putting this pot to soak. Give me 2 hours. I have this pot has to soak. You heard? That's a swindle. This pot has to soak. Yeah. Who was drinking? No, I was not. Snitch. I just rolled to the back of your head? No. See, now you're saying whatever now. But yes. happy Cinco de Mayo. You feel me? Happy birthday to Spanish people. Nah. Yeah, my fault. No, my fault. But yes, happy, or is it Merry? Merry Cinco de Mayo, Cinco de Wavy. Yeah. I just thought you were sleepy. Yes, that's me. I'm tired. That's it. Well, happy birthday to me. Yes, happy birthday. Merry Cinco de Mayo. If you like to talk to tomatoes, if a squash will make you smile. If you like to waltz with potatoes up and down the produce aisle, do we have a song for you? Please, 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 please. The people I'm ready. Nah, me too. I'm ready too.
I'm serious. I'm serious.